Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics and Art. Now, numericals based on the last class, that is a body rolling on a rough inclined plane. First we did velocity, acceleration, next friction and coefficient of friction related problems. Step by step we will do in different videos. Okay, so now first numerical. A solid cylinder of mass m rolls without slipping down on an inclined plane, making an angle theta with the horizontal. The frictional force between the cylinder and the inclined plane is. So here frictional force is asking. Okay, first I will write to the formulas whatever we did in the last video. Please watch that video, then you can easily understand these numericals. So first one is, that is velocity, which is equal to root over 2gh divided by 1 plus, okay, k square divided by r square. Okay, and second formula for velocity v, which is equal to root over 2gl sine theta divided by 1 plus k square divided by r square. Okay, and next one is acceleration a, which is equal to mg sine theta divided by m plus moment of inertia divided by r square. And second formula for acceleration, which is equal to g sine theta divided by 1 plus k square divided by r square. K square divided by r square. Okay, and frictional force formula. So that frictional force, here I am writing F, which is equal to the mg sine theta divided by, so that 1 plus r square divided by k square. Okay, and next coefficient of friction. So mu, which is equal to tan theta divided by 1 plus r square divided by k square. Proof we did yesterday. Please remember this formulas. Okay, so then based on our question, what we have to find? Frictional force we have to find from this equation. This is the diagram. Here A, B, C is the inclined plane. This is the rolling body. Here M is the mass of the rolling body and mg is acting downward direction. Mg resolve into two components. Frictional force is opposite to the direction of motion of the body. Okay, so for this, here cylinder is given. Okay, cylinder. Moment of inertia of cylinder is I is equal to mr square divided by 2. Okay, so what is our basic formula? Moment of inertia, which is equal to mk square. So both are balancing. We will get here k, which is equal to r divided by root 2. Balancing, mm is get cancelled. Then k square, which is equal to r square divided by 2, and k, which is equal to r divided by root 2. We got the value here. Okay, this is for the cylinder. Okay, and continuation frictional force F, which is equal to mg sine theta divided by 1 plus here r square divided by k value is k square, directly we can take. Okay, so that r square divided by 2, this is get cancelled. So F, which is equal to mg sine theta divided by 1 plus 2. So here frictional force, that is mg sine theta divided by 3 is the answer for the given question. Okay.